All right, so aside from getting blown away from the wind, we got the subframe back in. We got the energy bushings. It's not focusing, but whatever. That's the subframe. That's the power steering rack. Energy bushings there, and we just put GK Tech soft lines in. Everything's tight. Lowers are back in. Ricky's working for one time ever. We got Felipe here. I'm not allowed to use his real name because Ice is looking for him. And then I'm going to test fit my wheels. See if tires went today. Shout out to Kaiju. Thanks, guys. I'm trying to take off this stupid thing. And then see if they fit without having to go crazy. I know I need coils and shit, but I don't know if I need uppers in front. So we're about to find out. Might look good. Might look good. Those guys are fools. And hopefully we get the motor back in today. What do you got now? What's this?
I'm debating putting the chase base dual piston shit in now, or should we do it after the motor's in? There's no more room. Because we have to cut the firewall a little bit.
So I would do it before we put the motor in.
So
cool. Good luck. I'm going inside. All right, hood's off. Wheels are on the Z. This fitment is McDonald's. I'm loving it.
I'm fucking it.
So we're getting the chase bays. What is this? What is the situation here?
It basically deletes the brakes. So
it deletes the power brakes, the brake booster and everything.
Calipers and everything.
Yeah, no brake calipers. You know, just send it. So we got
ABS booster delete, but it's the new dual piston chase base kit.
Dual piston?
6-to-1 pedal ratio.
Ooh, 6-to-1.
So you got to press it 6 times before it stops.
So I don't know if you could see in that hole. Yeah. Oh. Eric, go ahead. Mark away. What's up, Felipe?
So fool.
What's fucked?
I just dabbed the fucking firewall with the Chevy.
Oh my god. I like the non-existent flake he put in the paint.
It's there. It's just the lighting.
Okay.
I don't give a fuck. Everybody sucks, dude. I've just accepted it, and luckily I make enough money to deal with it.
Money, I want more money.
So you want to hear something funny?
No.
You're gonna go crack the fucking strut tower bolts loose, and it's gonna rip the paint off the fucking strut tower because he painted over the bolts and didn't loosen them.
I know. That's what I said.
No, I'm saying he never even loosened them at all. Like, he just painted, so the paint is sealing around that. So you're going to go like this, and it's going to go...
Well, good thing I have a fucking HKS strut tower bar that goes this big.
Hopefully it's not too big, because it's going to crack all the Bondo that's underneath there. But dead ass, though, that came up pretty good, though, from, like, all that smoothing I did.
Yeah.
You can't even tell that there was a plate there.
Right.
Welded.
So there's your mark. Jesus Christ. Well, it's like this is already there, so it's really just this little top half.
It's not too bad. I do that with Dremel.
Yeah.
Okay, I go get the tools. I get the tools. Of course, it's a hurricane again. No, welcome to Vegas. Ay.
What happened?
If the fucking wheel exploded and the rubber got hit and then it ripped my fucking hand open. With hot rubber. Alright, so we're prepping the motor to go back in the car. It's really windy out, which sucks, but I don't want to have to move everything in the garage just to get the car in, so we're going to try to get the motor in first. Did you want to put cardboard on the frame rails, like with some blue tape, just to protect them? So we don't like the ding, 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 ding.
2 hours later.
And this is how we do it.
Alright. Trying to get the motor back in, so video's rolling. Should turn the music off up there. You have to copyright infringement. Yeah.
You right?
Again. I already had 2 offers for 300 on the wheels. I told him 400.
Yeah.
$100 a wheel and tire, even if for like drift spares, is very cheap.
Yeah.
For 350.
Yeah, and their anniversary wheels, like, get fucked. I like immediately love the car like a million times more now.
It looks dope. Even right now at night, you can see it's fucking bright as fuck.
What's wrong, Ricky?
There's just not a lot of room here. Like, I feel like
Wanted to try to help you out?
I feel like the car's very low.
Ours low? Yeah. I think probably
It's because we're in the driveway.
you're gonna have to move up a little bit more. Or probably go right here, Ricky. Just between, stick your fucking legs in here, just so enough, so we can get the transmission.
Like that ass, just go right underneath
go
the
right
subframe.
Alright. Like the number is.
What's your social? Yeah, roll head first.
Head first?
Yeah, head first. Watch your head on the oil pans, please. There you go. Yeah. Oh,
There you go, you good?
All right, now shimmy your fucking body back, and just try to work
Yeah, I
it
could
over.
probably go this way.
Yeah.
Overall.
Yeah, true.
Before it busts me in the face.
Well, don't let that happen.
I don't know how low the bell housing is, you know, 'cause it's very low.
Yeah.
It
As
is.
long as we get over that, you can get out.
And go from the side, yeah.
And then reposition yourself.
So try to lift it up a little bit. Watch the nub on the shifter so we don't crash into the firewall.
Watch out. It's too high up.
It's okay. It's all right. Let's get over that, and I can lower it.
No,
Are we stuck?
We're touching the bell.
Yeah.
We're touching the car.
It's already hitting.
So how are we stuck already, though?
Go forward. Your way.
It's still stuck right here on the transmission itself.
Oh, you
Transmission
know
is
why?
stuck
Because the fucking bushings are in there now.
So the rack.
The rack bushings are in now, so that's
It's sitting
we
a little
lost.
bit higher.
We lost.
The only thing we could probably try to do
Hold on.
is
I'm pitching it.
we could try to pivot the engine too, like physically trying to.
Well, it's in the car.
That's just like boom.
Boom! Oh yeah. I'm like 98% sure the camera died.
The fucking M18.
Just hand tighten them all the way as much as you can, and then we'll tighten them.
Yeah, we gotta tighten all the like arms and shit on the rack too.
Arms?
Like the articulating sections of it.
Oh yeah, true.
So we gotta come down here with the
It's the M18. I mean, honestly, all that stuff.
Cardboard out of the fucking picture. That's it.
Oh, the cardboard's gay. All right, so the camera died, of course, but she's in, boys.
I think it's actually in straighter than before.
Yeah, I think we did better this time.
Same.
It's in. Yeah, fucking held it onto the frame rail.
The next call is gonna be a very bad call. I'll tell you that if that happens.
To the painter?
Yeah.
What the fuck? God damn, I'm dying. Mario, I got a piece of tape for you right here.
That just in case we need to begin.
If anyone was looking for some Nismo OEM Nissan sun visors, these ain't them.
God. I'm gonna hold these off. You worry about the bolt. Oh, hey, you guys.
Oh, Kidder's exhaust.
Use the light.
Quieres exhaust?
It's not going high enough. You gotta like press it.
Are you hitting something?
Possibly.
Maybe these should go in first, then the bushings, so the bushings stretch and these don't.
I'm stretch you.
Is it downpipe hitting?
Possibly. Something's hitting. That's like preventing it to actually go in through this.
Well, the downpipe has a bellow on it. It's supposed to flex to the downpipe.
Let me try this bolt first then.
Okay, do the front one first.
Looks longer. This one has. Let me see. Hold it too tight. Let me see.
Whoa.
You going in?
This is kind of what I was worried about.
Because you like nutserted it?
No, like the engine and trans are off by like 1 inch, and all the fabrication that I paid for is fucked. That's one thing I was worried about.
Oh, like the piping's not going to fit.
Yeah, like you put it in, like it goes in like slightly off.
Oh, well, thank God all of your couplers have 9 degrees of fucking
75 degrees.
75 degrees of articulation.
You get it in?
Is it threading? Nope.
Let me check.
All right. I'm going to let these two retards do this, and then I'm going to end up underneath the car.
Ape together strong.
God.
Yo, nipples coming out, fool.
This
Nipples?
fucking shit sucks, bro. Here, do this. Turn this around.
Oh my
Is this
God.
can you turn this around?
No, you can't. There's a washer.
It should be the other way.
All right, I'm going to get underneath the car and do
Ape
this for these
together,
guys.
not strong. Ape together,
Am I in
stupid.
That's gonna cross thread.
All right, I'm coming.
All right, give me the fucking ratchet.
If it's not threading in easy by hand, don't send it. Okay. You going to come down and do it?
It's just not lining up properly. It's weird.
No, it's not.
I'm coming. Hold on.
It's a fat ass bolt. Like. There you go.
Let's just start with that. Let's see if we can get yours in.
Jesus Christ. Cross-threaded? Tight is tight?
That's just not moving.
All right,
You could do chin-ups on the exhaust.
Shots?
Oh, dude, down.
Beans?
Where's the tamales? Felipe! Right here, fool. So here's an idea. You can kind of see now. I mean, let me back this light up. Woo. Oh, it's like too bright. It's so bright. The chrome. Let me turn down the exposures.
We made good time on this episode.
Oh, time for hookah and drinks. Nice in the dark. SR20 silver top.
SR20 years of reliability.
20 years silver. SR 20 pounds of boost.
Wow, we're doing 35 pounds.
35? God damn. Boom! That's what's gonna happen. It's gonna explode.
Boom! Where's the other motor?
Yeah, where's the other motor at? Where's the built one?
Yeah, that's gonna be good.
Oh, I got the garage back almost. Gotta figure out a place to put the bumper. God damn.
Painted your car. I'm like, I don't recommend it.
Alright, she's in the garage. Getting there. Got the Bluetooth dash over there. Bluetooth hood over there. Bluetooth bumper, side skirts, etc.
Yep.
It's a 240. It's a Honda. What's next? What do we got to do? Put
Wait for the piping to come back from Cerakote.
piping needs to come back from Cerakote. Intake.
Yeah, all that circuiting.
Got to put all that back on. Swap out the starter. We got a nicer looking starter over there somewhere.
Probably like wire wheel that
To go on that, yeah,
painted.
true. Motor's super dusty. Needs to be washed. Got to run power steering lines.
To the trunk.
What?
Yeah, we're putting a power steering pump.
I thought you were putting it in the bay.
Nah. You know how loud the Volvo pump is?
All right, cool. 240 for sale. What's up? Real quick update. Cars in the garage. To be honest with you, I have no idea what I recorded, what I didn't record. The battery died. I'm not used to this new DSLR. I'm used to the GoPro, which isn't that great either, but I can like throw it around. This I have to be a little more careful with, but it's better quality for you guys, and that's what matters. So it's in. We kind of reassembled the front. A couple things need to go back to chroming. They missed this part. I guess they didn't prep right here. So a couple more things need to be touched up, but for the most part, I'll give you guys a quick overview of the motor. So it looks good. They did a good job painting the engine bay. Painter could have did a little bit better. Sorry for the sniffling. I'm getting over a cold, but that's what happens when you spend 3 days outside in the rain. Could have did a little bit of a better job, but I mean, at least it's done. That was the biggest issue, is that no one was able to do it. We had an issue with scheduling, so at least it's done. Yeah, this one was talking about right here, like they prepped it, but like it didn't get chromed for some reason, so that needs to go back. We're gonna polish this and the other end tank. Got a whole polishing kit somewhere. I think this weekend we're gonna get the turbo side back on. We're gonna start on the intake side, but we have to cut this bracket off the water passage and Honda bond this because it's actually not sealed to the block yet. We need to do some stuff with the thermostat and build the lines for the upper and lower rad lines. We're swapping out that starter with the other starter that came on that motor over there. That motor still has a seized bolt in the flywheel bell housing area. So I'm PB blasting it, as you can see, PB blasters right there. So coming along, but still got a lot to do. Still some cleaning. We might paint these, I think they're called torsion arms, or he might buy aftermarket set. He doesn't know yet. The Voodoo 13 arms are still an issue with the sway bar, but we might just end up getting the LS swap sway bar that goes like all the way forward in front of the pan. That might be the solution. So go do that. And then just slowly reassembling. But so far, this is where it sits. Almost done. Still got to sell the vet. And yeah, thanks for watching.